Hey there, so in today's video I'm going to show you how in Canva to make this shape so you can put your heading in the top blue box and then your main text in the main section. First of all, press the R key and that will bring up a resizable rectangle, square. It's impossible to find in the menu. It took me ages to figure this out. You need to press the R key. Then we're going to resize the box to the size that we want. Obviously, we don't want that blue fill color. We want it to be clear inside. So we're going to click on the little symbol here, and then we're going to change it to no color, which is at the top there. And we'll set the border weight to about 5, I think, a bit thicker. And then we'll set the corner rounding to about 10. That should give us a nice corner. If you make it too much, then this process won't work. Set the color back to blue. Oh, first of all, let's actually center it on the page. That's definitely worth doing. So click Align to Page and center. And then if you click on those dots again, obviously you could use the keyboard shortcuts on that, but you click those dots again and then you can press Duplicate or Control D. Then we're going to drag that so it's partially over the shape that we've got already, because we don't want those corners at the top twice. Get that lined up. Then once we've got that lined up, we can shrink down that top box so it's smaller. And then it's simply just a matter of clicking on the fill color at the top, next to where it says shape. And then we're going to put the fill color back to my nice blue again that's in my logo. And that's it. So now you know how to do that. It's really easy, and that gives you a nice simple framework that you can put your heading in the top dark blue section, and then below that you can put your main text. Hope that helps. Let me know what you think.